Today's tutorial is going to be Word Chapter 2, homework. The name is Web, okay? And so I've already gone through my process of downloading all my files. You'll see here that I have changed my name up at the top here, my file name. You'll always want to change that from student to your last name. And now I'm moving on to step number 2, which says click in the first body paragraph beginning the city of Aspen Falls. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Set a first line indent of 0.5 inches in the spacing after to 12 points. So you go up here to paragraph and we'll say first line. Okay, now I want to just point out here to you that if that doesn't come up, then chances are your units of measurement is set to centimeters, and you'll just always want to make sure that you have that set to inches. Okay, so just pay close attention to that. And then it's also saying to change the spacing after to 12 points. So spacing after 12 points. Okay. I'm going to press OK. And then it's saying repeat the formatting in the paragraph beginning color blindness, which is right here. So paragraph, first line, after 12. Okay. So step number 3 can sometimes be a little bit tricky. It says to modify the heading to style so that the keep with next option is enabled. Okay, and there's multiple ways of doing this, but here's what they're looking for. They want you to go up to here, heading number 2, click on it, right click, modify, then you have to go down here to format, paragraph, and then make sure that we select keep with next. Okay, okay. And that is step 3. That one's always a little bit tricky. Step 4 is one that also can trip people up sometimes. So it is saying to use the source manager to edit the source for Bennett Jean, okay? And so we don't see source manager up here anywhere, but it is under references and it's here under manage sources. So if you click on that, then you'll see a list of our current sources, and it's asking us to modify Bennett Jean, which is right here. So we're going to click on that and then we're going to say edit. And it's asking us to change the source type from a book to a journal article. So journal article. It's saying to add the journal name, the New England Journal of Medicine. So the journal name is the New England Journal of Medicine. And then it's telling us also to add page numbers, which is 2483, 2484. Okay. And then press OK and close. Step number 5 has us adding a citation into a paragraph. And so it's saying here at the end of the second body paragraph, which is right here, it wants us to insert a citation using Bennett. So we go up here to insert citation, we check off Bennett, and you'll see how that gets added there. Now it's asking us to edit the citation to include the page number in the field. And how we do that is we click on it, see this arrow, edit citation, add pages, and we're going to say 2483. Okay. All right, and do you see how it changed the citation? That's step number 5. Step number 6 has us finding and replacing all occurrences of website with website. And so what we do is click on replace, and we are going to find website, and we're going to replace it with one word. And we're going to click on replace all. Okay, and you'll see that it's made 4 replacements through the document. Close that out. Step number 7 is also one that can sometimes be a little bit challenging to navigate. It is asking us to go to the Improve Navigation section, which is right here, and to place our cursor after the section homepage, which is right here. It's saying to insert a footnote. So we go up under references, insert footnote, and you see how our icon or cursor moves to the bottom of our page. It's wanting us now to type, "This includes the logo on the home page itself." Okay, the next set of instructions, still in step 7, is that it wants to be sure that we've included the period, and then it wants us to change the font size to 12. Now this is where a lot of people make a mistake. They accidentally change the footnote number as well. They don't want you to do that. They only want you to change the text in the footnote. Okay, so that is step 7. Step number 8 has us creating a bulleted list, and so it's asked us to move down to the conclusion and to apply a bulleted list with the solid circle format to the 4 paragraphs beginning "anyone with a vision" and ending "using a portable device." So that's these 4 sentences, okay? So we're going to select these 4, go up here, solid circle bullet. Okay, and then it's saying for the same paragraphs, change the left indent to 0 inches and change the line spacings to double. And we do that under paragraph, and we go left to 0, line spacing to double, press OK, and you'll see how it just increased the spaces in between the bulleted items. Step 9 has us setting the document margins to normal. And so you go to Layout, Margins, Normal. Okay, and then step 10 says at the end of the document, which we're at, insert a manual page break. So we go up to here, Insert Page Break, and you see how that created a new page for us. Then it wants us to press Enter 2 times, 1, 2, and insert the bibliography built-in field. So that is References, Bibliography, Built-in. And to see how that creates a bibliography for us. Step 11 has us inserting page numbers. So it's wanting us to insert a page number using the plain number 3 style at the top of the page. So we go up here to Insert, Page Number, top of the page, and it's saying plain number 3. So top of the page, plain number 1, 2, 3, select that. And it's saying the page number should display on all pages except the first page. And if we scroll up here, you're going to see that it does actually display on the first page. And so what we do is we click Different First Page, and you'll see it takes that right out of there. Step number 12 has us inserting a footer. So Insert, Footer. And it's saying to insert the file name field. So insert document info, file name, press the space bar, and then type draft. Wants us to make sure that we keep those brackets. Align the footer text to the right margin. And then close the footer.